Alright, hey, how's it going today? My name is Eric. Welcome to my channel. If you find any of this information useful, do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button. Today, I am going to show you a very easy 2 indicators to use. You can, if you wanted to, you could just use the 1 indicator. This is for beginners. This is for day trading. This is for swing trading. Would be for investing. This is for any trading that you wanted to do. And like I said, you could use the 1 indicator, but you can, it is so easy to use. You are really going to need 2 indicators. I will show you how to get them, and then I will give you a bonus. I will show you how to use the TradingView screener to actually find the setups for these trades as well. So let's get started here. We are on TradingView right here, and so we're just going to quickly go to indicators here and click, and then we are going to go to EMA trend bars. It's right here, and we'll simply click on this. It's a Chris Moody one, and it pops up like this, and as you can see, there's red, green. When it goes from red and then it goes to green, you would get in. Once the bar crosses over, you get out. And as you can see, you almost make profits every time. This is just looking right here. This is 100% success rate. Maybe not right here on this trade, but you want to trade it here. So 100% on this stock just happens to be it. So what is the second one? You'll go to indicators here, and we're just going to go into RSI, Relative Strength Index. We'll just click on that thing and it comes up. We're going to make some quick changes to RSI. So we're going to come over down here and go to settings, and then we are going to click off the top one, and then we're just going to use this one. Actually, no, we're going to use this one. You can make it yellow, you can make it any color you want. You can make it white. I like to make it yellow. You can make it green. I like it yellow. Make it show up nice. Hit OK. Okay, now we got this set up now. And so we've got 2 indicators, so we can reconfirm the trade. So once you see that there's red, and once it goes to green, you would get in here, but you can confirm the trade by seeing if this crosses above the 50 on the RSI, just to confirm it. And then as it comes down here and gets out, the red bar goes down there, or even right here, you can confirm this is going down over the 50 as well. And you can just do this all day on all trades. Now, how do you find these trades? Well, very simply, we're just going to go to TradingView. This is all free view. I'll have to click into another one here. Bear with me. Yes, internet's working fast. So we'll go here to products, screeners, and stocks. And once we get here, we'll just simply go to the plus sign here and type in RSI. It's this Relative Strength Index, and we'll simply click that and hit Add Filter. After we add the filter, we'll click on it again. We will have to make some changes. Go to Manual Setup and hit Cancel, because that's not what we want. We'll just pick 40 and below. Now, this is not what we want. We want to go back and make just another change. We'll go down to Manual Setup here, and we're going to click on this one, and we want to go down on, not below, we'll want crosses up. Then we'll simply change the 40 to 50, hit Apply, and voila, we are done. There are 754 of these. You can change it. That's a lot. Does this even work? Let's click on Citigroup, see if this even works. Let's go to Super Charts. And it pops up. Here we go. We'll just click in our indicators here that we just set up. CM, EMA trend bars. Looking good right there. We'll verify with an RSI right here. We'll have to change the RSI real quick by simply clicking off of this. We'll just stick with purple to keep this video quick as possible. To reconfirm, let's see, there's one right here. It's December 23rd. It crosses, and it crosses the 50. Possible trade there, so this does work. Hey, looking at maybe I'm giving you a free one there. Not, of course, this is not trading advice or financial advice. This is all for educational purposes. Make sure you always paper trade and do your own due diligence. Anything you hear on this channel or anywhere on the internet, just to be safe. And so with that, I'm going to end the video. I hope if I give you any value today, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. Other than that, I will see you on the next video, and I hope you have a great holiday coming up here. And I'll see you on the next video.